Hi, I'm Dr. M. Kamakshaya, open source software evangelist and also a freelance web developer. I had created a small application known as QPPro, which is very much useful for academic institutions to create question papers based on questions written in Excel spreadsheet application. You just have to go to my GitHub repository, github.com/kamakshaya/qp-pro, and where you will find some downloadable files. This is the file which is very important for you. Question paper dash b6 dash rar, something like this. You just have to go to this green color button and download zip. And once you download the zip in your computer, that looks like this. So this is the zip file, and you just have to right click and extract to question paper dash b6 / something like that, and then you will find a folder in this way. Now what you need to do, this is a free application. We provide consultancy services for commercial activity on a commercial base. You need to write to contact at the rate of bsc-cs.com in order to get an executable file. I mean, the same application is also available as a .exe, which means you can just download, update this file and install in your computer without knowing to run the file from the like a programmer. Since this is a free application, I'm going to show you how to execute this application like a developer or a programmer. Okay, once you download this, extract this archives like this, you have to shift right click in the folder. You will find open command window, something like this. Now your command prompt opens the folder or this directory readily for you to run this application. Now use dir. You see we are in the folder where this app.py file is there. Now you need to execute python app.py. Now once you run this statement, then your server stores, because this is a Python web application, and you will find URL just like this, and you need to mark and copy this statement. Go to your browser, and then where you can just copy paste and then press enter. Now you'll go to the very first page in the application, that is welcome page. I'm just going to show you how to upload the file like an Excel file. I also provided a model Excel file in the same archive. In case if you want to know how to write the questions, you can just open the file like this. You need to put your question this way. The very first column you need to put a number, and then immediately after that, second column you need to write the question. And this is actually one typical way of writing the questions. In this question paper, there is an option of, there are 6 questions, and the students are supposed to write only 5 questions out of 6, and you can design your own way as per your institution requirements. And there is also an internal choice, 5 questions, and there are in all 12 questions, and only 5 questions need to be written, and inside each question there is a choice of 2, which means the student has a liberty to choose one question out of 2. That's too much choice, okay? But anyway, that depends on the policies of your institution. You can define your own way of but whatever you're just going to write inside this Excel file, that will be printed inside the question paper. That is the idea behind, because we are all very handy in. So now you just go to this welcome page. There is a button choose files. Now choose files, and this will prompt for a file. Now go back to your directory. Wherever you have that Excel file, there you need to go. In case if you are not able to find the Excel file, you need to change this option to all files. Then you will find the Excel file. Open the file, then submit. You have to press this button submit. Now this is how your question paper looks like. I think there is a small problem in my. I need to. Okay, let us wait for. This is how the question paper looks like. So as I said, this is just a HTML format, and just below. So these are the questions which you have written down in your Excel file. All these questions will be retrieved into this question paper. We can also configure this layout of this question paper as by the needs of the institution. However, that depends on the, I mean, that is not available for this, since this is a free application, it is not possible for you to manipulate the layout, but we can provide that on a commercial basis. Okay, thanks for watching this video. This is just a small video demonstration for this application, Question Paper Pro or something like this. I thought this will be very much useful for, because I have seen institutions suffering from creating question papers. I mean, not in the small institutes, but few universities which has come to a particular level of scale of operations, and they do need some software to create question papers from Excel files, something like this. And I thought it is very much useful for these institutes to provide a free and open source software application just like this. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for the new content, and don't forget to press like button if you like this video. Thank you.